Okay, so you call 911 and don't leave your name?
That's right, yes.
Even a dumb geezer should know that emergency
Just move
automatic...
on. No one here killed him.
Oh, is he dead?
Ask him.
What's wrong with you?
Don't bark at me. I didn't name you.
We will.
Right in there. You help
If we can't, we'll come back and ask you. Again and again.
Hey, what, are you trying to intimidate me with attitude? I come from hell. My grandmother's got more attitude than you. Go shake down 7-Eleven for a day-old wiener.
It's just a matter of time, sir. There's a painting of one of the guys in here.
Get some tape on it.
Oh, I've been praying for him since I heard.
Yeah. So, anyway, I'm on my way to the hospital. If you could just watch the dog, just for the night.
Oh, no.
No?
No, I'm sorry.
Okay.
No.
Thanks.
Sorry.
Oh, bitch. Damn dog. You're taking him. Yes, you are. Get the hell out of the way. You're taking him. This will leave in the books. One night.
Wait.
You want to say no to me? You want to say no to me? Huh? You want to say no to me?
I won't say nothing to you.
Because I've never felt this crazy as I do right now. I almost want you to say no. Thanks for looking after him.
Hey! Where you going? You can't do this!
You don't want to mess with me today!
I can't take a dog. Nobody's ever been in here before! Hey, Frank. Frank? Hey, Frank. Frank! You're dead. We don't have no dog food here. We don't want no dog food here. You'll eat what we got, what we eat. Don't you do anything. Where's the trust? Never talk. Always look at the bright side of your life. Always look at the lighter side of your life. God.